And when we first set out the goal to cure and prevent disease by the end of the century, people, like, honestly, most scientists couldn't look at us with a straight face.
And like,
because
you're crazy.
Yes. And it was true, because if you just decided to spend the money funding the next best grant for every single lab in the country, like, there's no pathway to that being true. But if you forced people to really think about this and, like, okay, what is the most credible pathway to doing this? And what are the barriers to that credible pathway? Then we sort of got somewhere, right? They were like, well, like, there's no shared tools, or like, we're not working on big projects and building the right data sets. And we're like, okay, well, then we can start doing something about that. And so that's where the idea of building shared tools, because no one right now in the scientific...
But we kind of think about ourselves and the work that we're doing at the BioHub as frontier biology paired with frontier AI, right? So there are labs that do frontier AI that basically, are building the most advanced models. And then there are lots of biological research organizations that effectively do very leading edge research to build, to either discover new data sets or looking to certain challenges. So far, there hasn't been anyone who's tried to do both of those at once. What I think you have the opportunity to do if you do both of those together is produce specific data sets for the purpose of training AI models to build virtual cells that can do specific things.
Yeah, right.
So I think that's like a pretty interesting zone to be in.